Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you once more a look at the land of cyclones, United States severe thunderstorm weather. So to start things off, there's these two things over here, 83AL, 83EP. These are bogus. I have no idea why those are showing up. Those are not legitimate things. But this thing over here, very much a legitimate area. Per Meteo France, this thing is zone of disturbed weather number 14. Per the JTWC, it is a high chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours. So this thing, unfortunately, I do not have land hazard data for this storm, but it is predicted to strengthen to tropical storm status 2 days from now, according to that. End up nearish to Madagascar before curving back that way. So depending on how big this thing is, diametrically, is that a word? Diametrically, that's going to depend on how much of Madagascar will see actual cloud cover and winds and stuff of the sort, possibly. Don't have any data on it, though. Zone of disturbed weather number 14. That is that thing over there. But other than that, that is the only thing, the only legitimate thing, so ignore those, the only legitimate thing that is happening at the moment. So what is actually happening at the moment in the United States severe thunderstorm weather are some actual severe thunderstorms and tornado warnings. 3 of them at the moment, apparently. And then 10 severe warnings overall that have already kicked off up here and then down there. So, watch-wise, as far as I know, there's only one watch in effect right now. This thing, it says, expires at 8 p.m. CDT, and there's also a mesoscale discussion in effect. It basically says that by the time you're watching this, there will probably be another tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch over there for this area. But, so in general today, this is the map showing you the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. So all of this, the core of the threat up there, and then of course 5% all the way down to the coast. And then to put it in perspective, there's already the severe thunderstorm warnings down there as well. Here's the map showing you the probability of the severe hail, which would be hail 1 inch or larger. So up there and down there again. Tornado-wise, 5% chance up for that area. And then again, where it stretches all the way down to the coastline. Tomorrow, kind of another interesting situation. It's for this area, but they've put another significant risk on the map. Now, I should say yesterday, they had a significant risk area for today's threat, and then they just completely dropped the significant thing. However, if you read the description, it sounds again like it's going to be possibly very large hail. So basically, tomorrow, instead of it just being 1 inch or larger hail, in this black hatched area, there would be the increased threat that the hail that falls could be 2 inches or larger. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that you can have 2 inch or larger hail. Anyway, it's just that the atmospheric parameters or whatnot are more favourable for it in that black hatched area. That is, of course, assuming that they keep that on the map and don't take it off like they did with today's threat. Day 3 moves out far to the coastline. So there's your 15% and then the 5% around it. So spring! Spring is finally here in the United States, apparently, with the severe thunderstorm weather threat. So again, that is what. Those are warnings that are in effect right now. So of course they'll be long since expired by the time you're watching this. But yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website. You should go there, you should visit, you should figure out what your severe weather threat level? I don't know. The level, the outlook for your area is. You should always stay weather aware. Is that a thing? If it isn't, it should be. Right. That is it for today. And have fun.